Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your hotkey for a screenshot in Steam. So guys, if you want to use a different hotkey to enable screenshot, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your app and log in. And once you log in, you'd be in this page. So since changing an hotkey for a screenshot is an in-game feature, you just need to open your settings first and find in-game. So let's find settings first. Just look at your top where you can see account, and right next to it you can see Steam. Just go ahead and tap there and now tap on preferences. If you want an easy method, you can also use your command button and comma, and that'll automatically open preference. And once you're here, just find in-game. So it is right between cloud and controller. You can see it right here. Tap on it and scroll down till you find screenshots and take a screenshot. So you can see currently, in order to take a screenshot, you can use F12. But if you want to change it, tap on it and now change it to whatever that you want. So let's say you want to use F2 or backspace. It's completely your choice. You can use E or you can use escape. So it's completely your choice. You can do whatever that you want. And in this way, you can change the hotkey for screenshot. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.